Huh? No, I just had to start the recording again. So even though I'm not ever able to write anything down, I just hope you guys can follow along. All right. So once again, so evaluate the following algebraic expression. This time I'm doing what? I got x is -3, so I do what? Plug in a -3 squared. Ooh, and that's good because you got to be careful with your calculator. And then for y, I plug in a 4. Now, I am glad we're doing this one because I need you to be careful. When I plug in that -3 for x, if I'm putting that in my calculator, like if I put -3 squared, whenever I put a negative raised to an exponent in my calculator, I must put parentheses around it. Must. So if you do it in your calculator, you need to do parentheses, -3, close parentheses, and then squared. Okay? Must do that. Okay? Now that's only a little tip that I would give for that one. The rest of it, ooh, that's gonna be a pretty huge number. It's not about that. Let's see. So for the people that are recording, so in this case, I'm gonna have 2 parentheses -3 squared plus 5 parentheses 4 squared minus 2, and then I use my order of operations to solve that problem. And matter of fact, I can't do it. Children, what do we get? Huh? You think you got set? What'd you get? 96? I get 96. Because the first thing I do, first of all, I do my exponents, right? What's -3 squared? 9. Did you put parentheses around your, did you put the exponent on the outside? That's why you put parentheses. Yes, the exponent needs to go on the outside of that parentheses. Because you got to think about it. -3 times -3 is a what? Positive. So you ought to know if I'm squaring something, I should always get a positive number. Okay. And so that's probably where you got 70 from. But yes, 96 is the correct answer. Okay. Let's go next. All right. Let's try another one. This is what these are going to look like. Oh, sorry. So evaluate the following algebraic expression at x equals -4 and y equals 0. All right. So once again, you have -2 parentheses -4, close the parentheses, put the exponent on the outside, minus 2 parentheses 0 squared minus 2. So in other words, you have something. see if I can. Yep. And then -2. Can I copy this? No, I tried. Sorry, guys, viewing this on the video. I can't. I wish I could show you what this looks like. But anyway, what'd y'all get for an answer? I get -34. What's -4 squared? It's not. It's not 8. It's 16. Remember, it's -4 times -4. So you would have got 16 times -2, which would have been -32. This term right here, because -2 times 0 is what? 0. So this whole middle term goes away. That's gone. So I've got -32 minus 2, which would give me what? -34. All right. Guys, it's okay that you make mistakes. Like, seriously, that's fine. My only thing is, do we know where we're making our mistakes and do we know how to correct them? All right. All right, one more. Ooh. Now this is interesting. Oh, this is very interesting. And no, it doesn't want a decimal, it wants a fraction. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Of course. You don't leave an unsimplified fraction. Yes. So in other words, you want to read. Simplify your answer. Well, first of all, tell me this. So yes. And yep, because I'm recording this, I'm leaving this on here. So of course, we know how to make a fraction on Hawks that showed you, right? You go to keypad and then you hit the, something on the top, something on the bottom. So this one right here. So again, I say keypad and hit this one right here. Oh, I already did it. So now, just before you subtract, what number did you get for the top? 25? So I got 25 at the top. What do we get at the bottom? 20. That's absolutely right. So 25 over 20. Now, the question is that reduced? No, because both of those numbers are divisible by what? Both of those numbers are divisible by 5. So, what's 25 divided by 5? 5 over, what's 20 divided by 5? Now that fraction is reduced. And that gives me the right answer. Okay?